What's going on, everybody, and welcome back for my 10th episode of EvCooksFood. I'm so happy that I'm doing this, and I really hope that you guys are enjoying watching my videos. In today's episode of 5 ingredients or less, we're going to be making caprese salad using some ingredients that I actually grew in my own backyard. I'm very excited for this episode. I hope you are too. Let's get cooking.
So I worked really hard in my garden this summer, and I'm going to quickly run through each of these tomatoes and tell you a little bit about each one. So this one's called a Cherokee Purple tomato. It's a super old heirloom variety, and I really love the flavor. This one's called the Black Russian tomato, also super flavorful, very juicy. Next we have some Sun Gold tomatoes, and these things are perfect in things like omelets and small salads. They have a really pungent, sweet flavor. Next we have grape tomatoes, and they taste so much better than anything you're gonna find in the store. They're just so much sweeter when you grow them at home. I only have one yellow pear tomato because they were all eaten by squirrels. I hate you guys. What I really love about caprese salads is that you can really mess around with the shapes and sizes and colors of all the fruits that you're working with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rough chop all these different tomatoes and put them in one single layer on a big plate. So next I'm gonna take some mozzarella that I just shredded up with my hands, and I'm just gonna put it all over the plate. Ideally, you'd want to use fresh mozzarella, but if you can't get your hands on it, just go for the next best thing in your supermarket. So the next thing I'm gonna do is rip up a few leaves of basil. This is basil that I grew, and you could check out some tips on how to grow basil on my Instagram, EvCooksFood. We're gonna finish this off with some flaky sea salt. Go for the flaky sea salt. Don't use kosher salt or table salt because there's a lot of elements and minerals in the flaky sea salt that's gonna bring out a lot of better flavors. Hit it with a few turns of freshly ground cracked pepper, and then drizzle your nicest olive oil all over it. I don't have super nice olive oil, but make sure you use extra virgin olive oil at the least. Caprese salad is really about the quality of the ingredients, so if you can, splurge a little and buy the best stuff you can get.
I'm super excited to try this. Really big bite. I mean, the best part about this is that I grew these tomatoes and it was a super rewarding process, but it is tomato season right now, so definitely look for those heirloom varieties because nothing tastes better than tomatoes during the summer. Thank you as always for watching. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button or else hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.